Hello, how is everyone? Hope everyone is fine. Today our topic is TikTok Ads Manager. In the previous video, we will discuss about the basic knowledge of TikTok Ads Managers and TikTok agency account. If you are new in this video, so I will prefer you to watch my previous video first, where you get the basic knowledge about TikTok Ads Manager and TikTok agency account. When you get that, then please come here in this video where I will tell you today about how to run TikTok campaign, TikTok ad campaign. So today our topic is today we will discuss how to run TikTok video views campaign. And for this, I am using a TikTok agency account where I will target all over the world or specific country as per my demand. Okay. Without wasting any time, let's start today video. Uh, for creating ads TikTok campaign, you need that kind of TikTok ads manager, TikTok agency account. When you come into this, you can also click here, create an ad, then they directly forward you into the TikTok campaigns. You can also click on the campaign. This is easy, but I will create campaigns by clicking on this tab. Okay, when I clicking campaign, and when you create campaign, then your campaign come here, but there's no campaign created yet, so this is empty. For creating campaign, I click on the create. When I click on create option, then there are so many objective campaigns and that we will use. There's a reach campaign, traffic campaign, video views campaign, community interaction campaign, app promotion, lead generation, website conversions, and product sale. Okay. So we are creating campaign for the TikTok where we will increase TikTok views and TikTok followers. Okay, so today our topic is TikTok video views campaign, where TikTok views will be increased. For that, we will use video views campaign. Okay, to creating video views campaign, click on the video views. When you click on that, you can just simply click on continue, or you can also edit their name. If you want to create different customer ad like 10 to 20, if you just click create simple like that name and continue, then your 10 customer campaign will be mixed with you don't understand which customer campaign is which. Okay, so that will be good if you write your customer or something there like that name, that you will that will remind you that this campaign is for that customer. Okay, so I will write here Hassan, Hassan campaign. Okay, when I write here Hassan campaign, then I will click this and copy it. Okay, because in the next ad group and ads ad, I will need this name. Okay, just click on the continue. Don't need to edit this button. Just click on it, and this is the ad group coming here. They said to write name, so I paste name that I copy in the previous. And for the video views, there is only one app, which is TikTok, so forget it and go to next. In the next, there is a save audience. Don't need to use that. In the location, I tell you that this is agency account, so Pakistan available in the agency account. And in this agency account, there are a lots of countries, almost all over the world is are available. You can check, you can see there are all over the world are available. Japan, Jordan, Kuwait, Mexico, all over the world. So if you are using simple as manager account, so you are unable to run TikTok campaign in all over the world. Okay, so I am selecting Pakistan, and when I go up down, that there is more uh, things are available like male genders. But if you just need to promote your video in TikTok, so you don't need to edit these things. If you are running campaign for the conversions or the traffic, so you can change this as per your audience demand. Okay. So I am unable to change this audience also include interest also, like you can change as per your audience. Okay. When I go down, then there is budget. This is important. Budget tab where daily budget minimum is 20, so you can write here 20 or up. When I go down, there's video views. You can don't need to change it, just click on the next. When you click on next, when you click on next, then the tab come where you can add a TikTok campaign, TikTok video code, TikTok video ad code. So your video will be show here. Okay. Here add name. You can write here name where you write in the past. If you want to run a video views campaign without TikTok account presence. So you can direct write your name, choose your picture, and just upload your video. So you can write as a anonymizer video where you don't select, don't add your TikTok account. ठीक है? Mostly people use this feature for selling products for promoting products where they don't want to show TikTok campaign. Okay, TikTok account. To show TikTok account and use TikTok videos, to video for promoting their video. So you can click on that button. When you click on this, then these are coming. If you want to link your account, then you can just click on it and you link your account by scanning code, and you can use other authorized account post. Just click on it and authorized TikTok post. Click on it and just paste video course as per watching this video. Okay, this video help you by how to get TikTok video code. Okay, check this, just check this and you can get a video code, and just paste video code here and click on search. Okay, when you do that, yeah, so you can select your video by clicking on that TikTok post. When you click on that, then which code you paste, that video will become here. Okay, just select video and submit the click on the submit button, then your campaign send for the running. Okay, when your campaign send, then you come here in the campaign bar where you can see your campaign is active or not. Yeah, mostly campaign take 5 to 10 minutes for the active, but someone take 1 to 2 hours also. Okay, so hope you get the knowledge how to run video views campaign. So take care of yourself. I am closing ending video here. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.